Imagine riding through breathtaking mountains, peaceful forests, and scenic coastlines with everything you need for an unforgettable adventure right behind your bicycle. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today, we're counting down 15 next-level bike campers that completely redefine outdoor travel. From ingenious fold-out bicycle caravans and compact camper trailers to futuristic amphibious bike campers that can even travel on water, these incredible creations prove you don't need a massive RV to explore the world in comfort. Stay with us until the end. You might just discover the ultimate camping setup for your next adventure. Alpencamper Eco Slide Out Bike Camper. The Alpencamper Eco Slide Out Bike Camper is a clever solution for cyclists who want RV-style comfort without giving up the freedom of two wheels. Its standout feature is a slide-out cabin that expands the interior by 50 centimeters, creating a spacious 1.40 by 1.96 meter sleeping area for 2 adults. Built with lightweight insulated composite panels and an aluminum frame, it weighs just 52 kilograms and includes 270 liters of storage, a table, windows, and weather protection. With a price of around $10,000 US, it's a premium bike camper designed for serious adventure seekers. BeTriton Amphibious Bike Camper. The BeTriton Amphibious Bike Camper is one of the most innovative camping vehicles ever created, combining an electric bike trailer, tiny camper, and boat into a single adventure machine. It comfortably sleeps 2 adults, features a hardtop pop-up roof with a 100-watt solar panel, 2.88 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, 2,150-watt electric boat motor, and can travel on both land and water. Depending on the version, it offers up to 30 kilometers of water range and 75 kilometers of assisted land travel. Starting at around 10,550 euros, about $12,000 US, before taxes, it's built for explorers who refuse to stay on just one path. BeTriton Reisen Bicycle Camper. The BeTriton Reisen Bicycle Camper is a brilliant choice for cyclists who want to travel farther without sacrificing comfort. This inflatable microcamper transforms from a compact cargo trailer into a cozy shelter for 1 or 2 people in just a few minutes. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, aerodynamic design, 120 liters of storage, a raised sleeping platform with a mattress, and mosquito-protected ventilation for comfortable nights outdoors. Weighing from 25 to 30 kilograms, it's ideal for bike touring and e-bike adventures. Prices start at around 2,990 euros for the single version, making it a premium yet practical camping companion. Topeak Journey Trailer plus Journey Tent. The Topeak Journey Trailer plus Journey Tent is a smart camping solution for cyclists who want to travel light without giving up comfort. The lightweight AL6061 aluminum trailer carries up to 32 kilograms, 70 pounds of gear, and features a 65.3-liter waterproof dry bag, a quick-release slide lock hitch, and a durable 16-inch alloy wheel for smooth towing. Pair it with the optional Journey Tent, and the trailer transforms into a compact campsite in minutes. With a combined price of around $600 to $800 US, it's an excellent choice for bike touring and weekend adventures. RoadSnailCamper E-Bike Camper. The RoadSnailCamper e-bike camper is a fascinating concept for riders who want to turn an ordinary e-bike into a compact adventure vehicle. Designed with a lightweight camping pod, it provides a sheltered sleeping space, integrated storage for gear, and an aerodynamic profile that makes towing easier than traditional bike trailers. While final production specifications are still limited, the camper is expected to work best with powerful e-bikes capable of handling extra weight. Estimated pricing is around 4,000 to 6,000 euros, making it an exciting option for cyclists who dream of self-supported touring with added comfort. Foldavan Bicycle Caravan. The Foldavan Bicycle Caravan is an ingenious bike camper built for travelers who want maximum comfort with minimal hassle. Its clever folding design transforms from a compact trailer into a cozy mini caravan in just a few minutes, offering a comfortable sleeping space for 1 to 2 people. Constructed with lightweight materials, it includes weather-resistant panels, storage compartments, and a stable towing system suitable for touring and e-bikes. Weighing around 60 kilograms, it balances portability with practicality. Expected pricing starts at approximately €5,000 to €6,000, making it a unique option for long-distance cycling adventures. Turtoy Caravan Motto. The Turtoy Caravan Motto is a compact fiberglass micro camper designed for motorcycle, ATV, and small vehicle adventures, but it also inspires lightweight camping enthusiasts looking for efficient travel. It features a full-length single bed, panoramic roof window, waterproof construction, ventilation system, interior locking, and a basic kitchen and water setup for extended trips. Weighing approximately 160 to 170 kilograms, it offers a practical balance of comfort and portability. Pricing starts at around €6,000 to €7,000, depending on configuration, making it an excellent choice for minimalist travelers who want a durable, all-weather camping companion. VEVOR Bike Camper Trailer. The VEVOR Bike Camper Trailer is an impressive all-in-one solution for cyclists who want to camp without carrying bulky gear. Priced at $267, this clever 2-in-1 bike trailer and tent quickly converts into a spacious shelter for 2 adults, offering an interior measuring 81 by 29 by 37 inches. It supports 132 pounds, 60 kilograms of dynamic load, and an incredible 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, static capacity, while 16-inch puncture-resistant wheels, reflective safety strips, and a 210D Oxford fabric tent with PU 2000 waterproof coating keep you comfortable on every adventure, rain or shine. Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style. The Bicycle Caravan by Gentleman Style is a handcrafted micro camper that proves you don't need a large RV to enjoy comfortable outdoor adventures. Designed with a lightweight wooden frame and an aerodynamic teardrop-inspired shape, it offers a cozy sleeping space for 1 adult, built-in storage, and a compact setup that's easy to tow with a bicycle or e-bike. While it's primarily a custom-built concept rather than a mass-produced product, similar bicycle caravans typically weigh 50 to 80 kilograms and cost between €3,500 and €5,000. It's a creative, eco-friendly solution for cyclists who love minimalist camping. SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent. The SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent is a clever bike camper designed for riders who want a faster, more comfortable camping experience. Instead of sleeping on cold or wet ground, its elevated cot-style tent keeps you 12 inches off the ground and sets up in just 2 minutes. It can be towed by both bicycles and e-bikes, carries up to 50 pounds of gear, and features 16-inch wheels, a 78 by 32 by 23-inch sleeping area, and a total weight of only 40 pounds. Priced at around $300, it's a practical companion for bike touring adventures. The Hupi. The Hupi is a clever solar-powered e-bike camper that packs the comforts of a tiny RV into a lightweight trailer. Designed primarily for e-bikes, it weighs around 70 kilograms, 150 pounds, and features a cozy sleeping area, a convertible dinette, optional 250-watt roof-mounted solar panels, onboard battery, inverter, interior lighting, and even space for a mini fridge. Optional upgrades include a propane stove, skylight, and TV, making it perfect for extended adventures. Starting at around €5,990,